Today's video I will be discussing vases versus bases. The first two in front of you are the typical ones you normally think of as a vase. This one I got over at Dollar Tree. Now, you can even use colored bottles. You can even use clear bottles. And yes, I got a wine bottle that's not open, that I could empty it by drinking it. And painting it if I want to paint it, but since it's already blue, I'll just take off the labels and use it like that. You can use any type of liquor bottle you have around the house. That way you're reusing it for your displays. And you notice, right here, I got the condiments. All you got to do is use them, take off the lids, the labels, and paint them. And you can use it for, let's say, a 4th of July picnic or any type of picnic. Yes, people might realize that it actually is condiments, but it's a cool way to display your flowers for holidays like the 4th of July, Independence Day, or anything like that. Now, on to the bases. Here are a few examples of bases. Yes, I got some wooden stick, placemat, hoops, and even a mirror. You can even use anything you have around the house that you can glue flowers to. All you need is a glue gun, one of them hot wax ones. Here's an example of an easy display. Now I would use a different size mirror, but I'm just showing you what you can do. You can actually glue the flowers to the mirror. And if you want to have some fun with your family or friends, you know how some people can't pass a mirror without looking at themselves? Yes, you can glue it on their mirror. You know, glue some pretty flowers on their mirror. And it will drive them batty because they can't see themselves. For me, it would be a mirror protector and protects the mirrors from breaking. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.